Hi, I'm Tammy, and today I'm going to make my homemade margarita. It's all done by hand, and it's delicious. So you're going to take your orange, and I've already cut the orange up into halves because for my squeezy, I need it to be in a half. So you squeeze half of the orange up. Then you're going to squeeze a full lime. There's one half and the other. And then half of a lemon. Ooh, that was juicy. Okay. Oh, shit. All right, once you have your juice mixture, you're going to add that into a cup of ice to your shaker. And then you're just going to do some agave. This is just organic agave, and basically it's about a teaspoon amount. Then we're going to add our tequila. About 2 shots of tequila. Or more. And then you're going to shake it up. Make sure you get it shaken pretty well so the agave mixes in. We're going to pour it into our glass. And then we're going to do a Grand Marnier topper. And this just gives it a little bit more of an orange flavor and makes it very delicious. Then if you want to garnish it, you can garnish it with either a fresh orange or a fresh lime. I'm going to use an orange. Stick it right in the glass, and it's ready to go. Those are delicious. These margaritas are fantastic, and if you don't have one of these juicers, you can use a hand juicer, or you can use fresh squeezed juice that's already in the bottle.